morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, February 8th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Today is LISDB Kindness Week and the kickoff for Friendly Falcons. Here is our kindness ambassador, Matthew. Woo-hoo!
Today's Friendly Falcon is Musa Amari from Mrs. Hosbach's homeroom. He was nominated by Mrs. Wilbert, who said that Musa is always going out of his way to help a friend in the classroom. If a friend is feeling sad, he tries to cheer him up. He will always remind his friends to clean up and even wants to help his friends. Congratulations, Musa. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind. Tomorrow is Wake Up with Kindness. Wear comfy school appropriate PJs.
I'm Joseph from Miss Cunningham's class who remembers Ned and the message hidden in his name. Yep, N, never give up. E, encourage others. And D, do your best. Ned also has a pledge that will help you remember important things you should do each day. A pledge is a promise that you try to keep. Look for Ned pledge posters, signs, and cards around our school. Today and tomorrow, we will start the day with Ned's pledge.
February is Black History Month. Today we'll be honoring Shirley Chisholm. Shirley Chisholm was born on November 30th, 1924 in Brooklyn, New York, to immigrant parents. She spent most of her childhood in Barbados but when she returned to the U.S., she attended Brooklyn College. In 1972, she became the first African American to run for president. She was also the first African American congresswoman in the United States.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 62 and a low of 44.
Today we have two birthdays. Happy birthday, Kirsten Oppenheisen and Jen G.
Today in history, in 1910, the Boy Scouts of America is incorporated.
Today is National Kite Flying Day. Kites date back to China in 470 BC. So go outside and fly a kite today.
In the headlines, cardboard artist creates mirror surrounded by black legendary heroes to inspire the next generation of leaders. In honor of the Black History Month, American candidate artists created a creative way to reflect back to young people the heroes of the past to inspire them to make greatness.
Today's fun fact is, playing the accordion was once required for teachers in North Korea.
What? Wow.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Kayla, what do you call someone with no body and no nose?
I don't know.
Nobody knows.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Kayla.
And I'm Alexis.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.